All right, we're at Corn Creek. We're getting ready to launch on the main salmon. What did we do yesterday?
We set up the boats, and then we got the oars and we put them over here. And after we put them over here, we parked our car at camp so that Maisie and Mom could sleep.
Yeah, Maisie and Mom slept in the truck. Yesterday we woke up and we went shopping first. Then we loaded everything on the trailer. Then we drove into Corn Creek. Then we rigged the boats. Then we slept. And now are we ready?
Well, we are, but nobody else is.
We're sitting here in camp. Leah's sitting over here. Jason's sitting over here. We ran some rapids.
Oh my God!
We're camped at Blackadar tonight. We're gonna make spaghetti later. It's the morning of day 2. As you can see, we're in the Mega Mid. And it did rain last night. Did you wake up for the rain, Porter? Porter didn't wake up for the rain. We're loading up at Blackadar. Jason's complaining about everything.
What? I'm not complaining about anything.
No, there was one thing you didn't complain about.
I'm having the best time ever. This is awesome. I'm not at work.
I keep telling Maisie that this is where magic happens. Right here on the Salmon River. We went through Black Canyon Rapid and then we came down to the hot springs. Porter, did you get warm enough?
Yes.
Porter claims he got warm enough. Are you ready for more rapids now?
Yeah.
Lane's cooking cobbler. Jeremy's cooking hamburgers. We're gonna eat dinner.
Oh, man.
Hey Cooper, what was your favorite rapid?
It was pretty good. The rapid was making me so wet.
Which one got you the wettest?
The big one.
Oh, the big one. Jason, which was your favorite?
Probably sap or big mallard. They're big, huge, scary, and a lot of fun.
Maisie could not be more zapped by the video. Leah, what was your favorite rapid?
I don't know, what was the first one? The black
Black Canyon.
Canyon, that was pretty good. We bounced around a lot. I thought we were gonna flip over and swim. Glad we didn't.
Maisie, what was your favorite rapid?
The one closest to camp, because then we got here and we're done.
Porter, what was your favorite rapid yesterday?
I don't know. Splash level was definitely Black Canyon Rapid. But like interesting level was Big Mallard, because I didn't really know what was happening because we were so low in the boat.
Stella, what was your favorite rapid?
I don't know actually.
The big ones or the little ones?
Big ones.
All right. What's been your favorite part of the whole trip?
Not flipping the boat.
It's always a good choice. All right, Jeremy, what are we cooking for breakfast?
That'd be bacon, French bread, and that's about it.
Ham. We got a little
Oh,
ham.
ham on.
A little bit of ham too.
Yeah. We're hamming it up.
All right, we stopped at Buckskin Bill's. The most expensive part of the whole trip. We're cleaning up camp. Aisel, where did we camp last night?
We have no clue the name.
Doesn't have a name. Non-reservable. We stayed here.
But it was pretty nice. Lots of poison ivy.
Lots of poison ivy. Lots of sun.
We watched an airplane land.
Yeah, we watched the airplane land.
That was pretty cool.
Now we're gonna go down to Polybemus and pet the pig. Although Jeremy questions the existence of the pig.
Dilution is the solution to pollution.
We stopped at Polybemus, saw the pig. 2 pigs, actually. I'm gonna go up and check out the cabin.
There were 2 pigs this year.
2
One
pigs this year.
named Mrs. Butterworth and Jimmy Dean.
All right, Porter, where are we camped?
God bless you, everyone.
Middle Sheep Creek?
Middle Sheep. How windy was it today?
Very.
Lane, how windy was it?
Oh, it was windier than I like, which is like any wind at all. But it was pretty perky wind.
All right, it's the last morning. We're gonna try and beat everybody to the ramp. We're pretty close though. We don't have very far to go. What was that? Vinegar. It's all over except the D-rig and the drive. 14 hours of driving. Porter, how'd you like it?
It was fun.
Maisie,
What?
how'd you like it?
It was whatever.
Aisel,
It was a blast.
Leah,
It was amazing.
Say it again.
Amazing. It was amazing.
there we go.
Amazing.
All right, till next time. So our warehouse manager, Barry Joe, sent us with this really wonderful little, what do you call this? Tackle box?
Rice kit?
Tackle box full of something. We're gonna open it for the first time on day 4.
Raw sugar.
Raw sugar.
Sweetener.
Ooh.
Ginger tea,
Oh, Folgers right there.
green tea,
Well done, Barry Joe.
chamomile,
We love it.
classic.